Dropshipping is definitely a business that raises with time. However, its short shipping time often comes with a higher shipping cost, and if your customers see that high number when they check out, I'm sure some of them is going to click the cancel button within a second, and it is something that you don't want. So today I'm going to tell you how to prevent this from happening to you. Actually, it is all about offering the right shipping option, choosing the suitable shipping method, and the most importantly, a correct shipping charges strategy so you don't miss out on sales and profit. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all solutions for dropshipping business. It is about finding a balance between the cost, speed, and customer satisfaction that works the best for you. Depending on the size, nature of the product, and the destination, and the shipping option that you provide, and the shipping method that you use will be different. And now, let's get into different shipping options a little bit more. The first one is standard shipping. This can be called the most cost-effective shipping option that you can consider. It is usually when the customer is not in a rush or the shipping distance is not too far. So usually you will ask your suppliers or carrier to ship the products by parcel post if it is a small and light, like the stationery or key change. This option takes longer time to ship it, and it costs significantly less when it's within the same cities or country. If it is international shipping, multimodal shipping is neat and cost effective. Another one is expedited shipping. It is much faster than standard shipping when it comes to international shipping. Usually the product can be at your customer doorstep within 3 days, but at the same time it also costs more and the number get higher with weight and size. So it is suitable for not bulky orders that need to be delivered quickly. If you're considering offer these two shipping options, here's a little tip for you. Did you know that you can set different shipping charges based on the destination on your dropshipping platform like Shopify? Imagine this, your customer that live so close to the suppliers, maybe even the same city, are charged the same as the one living in another continent. Either you overcharge or undercharge one of them. So none of them is a good news. So getting the number that you think are acceptable by all of your customers is very important. It lowers the possibility of them to stop buying at the final step. Besides these two options that require quite some time and effort to set it up, there are two other options that are way less easier to set. The first one is a flat rate shipping. This option means you charge all the shipment with the same price, no matter which shipping method they use, how heavy and how big the shipment is. But the situation that I said before is likely to be happen. So this option is only suitable when your target customer are located in the same region. Another one is a carrier rate shipping. Some e-commerce platforms allow you to show the real-time carrier rate at checkout. This means your customer can see exactly how much they need to pay for shipping based on their location and the size and weight of their order. So you don't need to worry about the shipping charges. And here's come the most important one, free shipping. Offering this can help to attract customers, but the shipping cost will be completely add on you. But actually all you need to do is to add the shipping charges or at least part of it at the selling price. In order to stay in the competitive price, the net profit of each product may be less, but the overall profit is likely increased because of the increased sales number. And sometimes it is a pretty good marketing strategy to use. And that is the end of today's video. Be sure to like the video, share it to your friend, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated. If there's anything you have questions about, just drop them in the comment below. Bye.